Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing this cutie here. Look at that. Okay, this is from the same company that I reviewed a wig on last week. Last week's wig was 14 inches long. It was from the Few Duet Deep Wave. Few Duet is the name, brand. I got it from Amazon, and I liked last week's wig so much, I said I'm going to give me a 26 inch one. So I did. So this is 26 inches, and here's the picture. Good, ain't that pretty? And it looks just like the picture. Of course, when I have human hair wigs, I always co-wash them before I wear them. Even though this one didn't have a strong chemical smell. The other one last week, it did. But I wash them anyway, so. Once again, this is how it looks. Gorgeous. And I co-washed it that one time. And I've worn this two times. And this is the way it still looks. I don't wear no drippy wet hair. I mean, my own hair is wet. I just co-wash my hair. But I don't like wigs to be drippy wet. Some people spray water on them and spray moisturizer and stuff on them. So I can keep that wet look, but I don't want this stuff dripping all down my back. Okay. I'm going to lower this. So y'all, I'm going to measure this. So it's supposed to be 26 inches. And I haven't even measured to make sure. Some of the reviews said they don't get their full length that they ordered. Well, I'm going to measure. Well, I hate to keep fooling with that tripod. I like to measure from the last weft. So I don't know how that's going to do. Of course, it's not going to be 26 inches measured that way, so I'm going to measure from the crown. 26 inches measured from the crown, and I'm not stretching the hair out. Let's see if I can show y'all. But I think with wavy and curly hair, you're supposed to stretch it out to get the true length. I don't know if y'all saw it or not. Okay. Gorgeous, nice and soft. So let's get this wig on. Now, put on my wig grip. Then I'm going to show y'all the specifics of the wig. I want to wear center part. Or I'm going to wear center part. Push this back some. Oh Lord. This twisted braid still hanging. I'm going to try to tuck it under. I didn't braid it, I just twisted it. Hope that holds. It's just stuck there. Hold it down with this wig grip. Okay. That's good. Take this off of this wig head. I need another one of these wig heads. So I can always keep a wig ready. Okay. That's how the wig looks on the inside. It has that much lace. Basically, it has one lace part. Right there. Right there. I put powder on this side. I didn't put it on this side like I usually do. Of course, I can make a fake part over here if I wanted to, but I can also shift the wig. So I can have a right side or a left side part. It has two combs, one at each crown. And there's a comb in the crown of the head. Comb right in the top of your head. I don't know how you work that out. I wouldn't want that stabbing my head. Got 2 adjustable straps in the back along with another comb. And it got some lace here. I guess some people pull the hair up and make a ponytail, so you can cut the lace off. I just chose to leave it. It ain't bothering me none. Okay. Glitter on my hair. Where it come from? Ain't got no glitter on. Once again, that's how it looks. This is called Deep Wave Brazilian. It's 150% density, 26 inches long. Okay. Do the middle part. I'm attaching these side combs. I ain't gluing nothing. I don't do all that. If I got time to do all that, I might as well fix my own hair. I ain't got time for that either. I just don't want to have time for it. Okay, I put it that way. That's it. Plop it on. I'm good to go. Just bring my mirror in here. I had put powder in the part the last time I had it on, so it don't need no more because it looks good. It looks good, don't it? Very, very soft. 26 inches long. Nice, soft, beautiful waves. And of course, if I want to rejuvenate it, I can use any kind of curly mousse. Y'all want to see? It comes out like this. Some of y'all may not know, because I used to didn't know. Put it on. And that will rejuvenate it, even though this didn't need no help. Because it was fine, just like it was. This side's a little bit shinier because it's damp. This side is completely dry because I fixed it last week sometime. Gorgeous. So it thickens up as it dries. And this side's a little thinner because I just put that stuff on it. So this is the hair to the front. Well, put it all to the front. When I co-wash this wig, I got a little bit of shedding, a little bit. When I was co-washing it and brushing it out, I didn't have any shedding with the other wig, the shorter one. To the front. Okay. What's this? Left side. Left side. See how far down in the back it goes? Right side. How y'all gonna see the back? I'm trying not to kick this tripod. It's right here. And the back. Look at that gorgeousness. Beautiful. And it's reasonably priced. I've had more expensive wigs than this. And they're supposed to be what I was looking for. And they wasn't exactly what I was looking for. The Brazilian deep wave. This is what I call a Brazilian deep wave, for real, for real. Okay. So, it comes in this kind of bag. to store the wig in, which is nice. This is human hair, so it needs to breathe. It don't need to be in no plastic bag. And it came with these are eye makeup brushes. I don't know what this is. This. Nice to get something free. And of course, they all come with wig caps. This is a dark brown wig cap. And the other one last week, it came with some eyelashes and the wig cap. 5D eyelashes. I mean, I can't get no eyelashes on, so they look pretty nice. Some of them look like plastic Barbie doll lashes. These look nice. I think they look nice. I don't wear lashes, so I don't really know lashes like some people who wear them all the time. But I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Be blessed.